Trader. Hey, Coach Tim here from TackleTrading.com here. Learn, trade, connect, succeed. And, I just had a thought. I was going through my weekend routine. I was looking at the Dow, and then I went to the Dow Jones Transport Index, and I thought maybe I'll kind of teach what the difference is between. On the left, you're going to see a chart over here, and this is DJI. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is the one most notably quoted in the news quite often. You'll see the chart goes up and down and up and down. It crashed in 2018 and then it rallied back, and here we are, 26,504. And if you turn on, any cable news channel, usually that's the number they're going to print. Now on the right, you're going to see the Transportation Index, which historically the relation between the two, relative strength or relative weakness, can kind of tell us something. And you'll notice that it also goes up and down. It's not like they go against each other. They're very similar. They're what we would call correlated, but they're not exactly the same because they have different components. And I was going to show you this. Like every index, actually, you can look it up by their components. And I've got Yahoo Finance here. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is 30 companies, okay? Cisco, Disney, Boeing, United Health, Home Depot, so on and so forth. They're all here. Walmart, JP Morgan. So banks and industrial companies and consumer good companies and credit card companies and a few of the big tech name consumer components like Microsoft and Apple. Now, the Dow Jones Transport is transportation, United Airlines, Alaska Air Group, Delta Airlines, JetBlue, Southwest Airlines, and so on and so forth. Now, these tend to be more cyclical in nature, railroads and airlines and those types of things. Historically, watching both of them is something many traders do because it can give you cues into what parts of the economy are moving or what sectors in the economy are moving as a part of the overall stock market. So just a quick breakdown, Dow Jones Industrial versus the Dow Jones Transports. Hopefully you learned something here about a new index. Get in the game, TackleTrading.com. And like our video, leave me a comment below and join up for Tackle Trading if you're not a member yet. We always offer a 15-day free pro trial for anybody new.